Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Jazzy beans on toast today. Just going to kind of jazz these up a little bit. They can be a little bit boring sometimes. So what we're going to need is some toasted bread, a can of beans, some onion, garlic, cheddar cheese I'm using, you could use something else if you wanted, and a touch of chili powder. Simply, let's get ourselves a frying pan, touch of oil, in go our onions, the garlic and the chili. You could add another herb if you wanted. We're going to cook this just for a couple of minutes. Now they've softened slightly, let's get our beans in and just heat them through, give it a mix with the onions. 2 more minutes maybe. Okay, a nice layer of beans on the toasted bread and then a nice layer of the cheddar cheese. I'm also going to add some black pepper to the top of those. Simply under the grill, you know what we're looking for, nice melted cheese, so easy. Just makes a little difference, nice little snack. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Jazzy Bean Love.